Okay. Today's experiment is DTA converter. DTA converter, different techniques are there. We will study R to R method. So using that, how to design DTA converter. Later we simulate using Multisim software. First, let me explain DTA converter circuit. 4-bit DTA converter. Digital to analog. So R2 to R type. Second method, weighted resistors. So we study only this. So this amplifier is connected in inverting mode. Inverting amplifier mode. So here parallel to R to R, to R to R parallel, equivalent to R, series with R, again to R to R parallel, again R plus R is to R, like that it will go. So this is the structure. Now bits are given here. B3 is the MSB, B0 is LSB, low, least significant bit, most significant bit. So there is a switching concept. This can be connected to 5 volts or it can be connected to ground. Other side all points are connected to ground. Left side all are connected to 5 volts. So this switch, if it is connected to left, connected to 5 volts. If it is connected to right, it is connected to 0, grounded. So the switching can be moved left or right. And if you see the derivation of this V naught expression, that anyway you study in theory, you will get V naught equal to minus RF B3 by 2R plus B2 by 4R plus B1 by 8R plus B0 by 16R. This is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 to the power of 4, like that. If you simplify further, you will get this expression. If B3, B2, B1, B0 applied to logic 1, logic 1 means 5 volts. Logic 1 can be 5 volts or 10 volts or 12 volts, anything, some positive voltage. So 5 volts we are considering as a logic 1. Now, if all are 5 volts, what is this numerator? 8 plus, all are equal now anyway. 8 plus 4, 12, 14 plus 1, 15. And each value is 5. So 15 into 5 minus RF by 16R. Now, if 5 into RF, 5 into RF is equal to 16R. So that if all bits are connected to 5 volts, B0 connected to 5, B1 connected to 5 means 1, 1, 1, 1. If all are 1, it is equivalent to 15. Therefore, 5 into RF should be equal to 16R. Then V naught will be minus 15. That is the main concept. If I take RF equal to 1K, then R equal to 312.5 and 2R value is 625. So always this R value is 312.5. These 2R values will be 625. Then connect this circuit with those values. So RF equal to 1K, these R values 312.5, 2R value 625. Then check this table. If all are zeros, as per theory, I should get 0. Practically what you get, verify. Like that. If all are 1, theoretically 15. Practically I checked. I got minus 14.995. This is almost equal to minus 15. This minus is because of inverting amplifier. So this is almost equal to 15. This is the simple equation, simple circuit you can remember. Now let us check it. So this is already connected. 2R, 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 2R. But in multisim, it will not take 2R. Same, these reference labels should not be same. So purposefully, there is no way to escape. 2R1, 2R2, 2R3, 2R4, 2R5, like that I have changed. 625, 625, 625, 625. This is actually R, but it is not accepting. You can't take all values equal. So R1, R2, R3, but all values are 312.5, 312.5, and so on. One side 5 volts power supply, other side connected to ground. And this RF is 1K. 4 is connected to negative power supply. 7 is connected to positive. So I have taken purposefully 16 volts because highest value is 15. I should take more than that. So selected 16. Even if you take 17 also, output remains same. But if you take this power supply 12, maximum output will be 12 only. But what is expected maximum output? 15. So I have taken 1 volt higher than what is needed. So this is the simple. Now if it is all are connected to 5 volts, is connected to 5, 5, 5, all are connected to 5. Means 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the expected voltage? 15. Let us see. So we got minus 14.995. So this is the voltage. With 1, 1, 1, we are getting this. If you want to change, this is the LSB. So 1, 1, 1, 0. If that is the case, we should get 13. This I am removing, connected to here. Again run the program. So minus 13.995 is equal to minus 14. So like that, all these things one by one you can verify perfectly, you will get it. So this is the simple D to A converter. This is inverting. See that negative is upper side and 4 is connected to negative power supply, 7 is connected with positive supply, 16 volts taken, and here 5, 5. Okay. So if you don't want 5, some other 10, 10, 10, then accordingly these resistance values also we have to change. So it is perfectly working digital to analog, but most of the lab manuals given differently, you don't get this perfect. So this perfect is possible with the small logic. RF into 5 is equal to 16. R is the main key point. If this condition is satisfied, then perfect DTA is satisfied. Otherwise, some other value it will come. Again, we have to convert, multiply with some factor to get the actual value. That looks inconvenient. This is the best way of doing. Okay. So this experiment is over. If you have not subscribed earlier, please subscribe again and also share this video to your friends. If there are any doubts, you can express in the form of comments. And don't forget to activate the bell icon so that you will get the updates. So thank you very much.